Here I've got Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus, and let me show you how to activate bootloader mode on the following device. So at first, let's switch off your phone, simply tap on power key, hold it for about 5 seconds, click on power off and confirm that you would like to shut down your device by tapping on power off one more time. Once your device is off, simply click on power key and volume up key and hold both of them all together until you see the Samsung logo. Now just wait a couple of seconds and you will be redirected to recovery mode. Here it is. Here you can navigate by using volume up and down keys, and then you can select each option by tapping on power key. So let me scroll down just actually to the second position to reboot to bootloader, and now tap on power key. Give your device a short while to reboot to bootloader. And that's it. As you can see, now we are in bootloader mode. You can use your Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus in it, and then if you would like to switch it off, simply tap on power key and volume down key and hold both of them all together for a bit. It may take up to 30 seconds. Now you can leave them. Now we are back in Android recovery, so in order to go back to the normal mode, simply tap on power key to reboot system now. And that's it. As you can see, now we are back in the normal mode, so you can use your device as usually. Just wait a couple of seconds until it's fully back. And that's it. Now all your applications are active and you can do whatever you want to with your Samsung Galaxy J4 Plus. So thank you for being with us. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.